You finally got a hearing date with the judge in your Social Security disability claim. You may be wondering what happens that day, who will be there, and what your role is. Join me as I share what to expect at your Social Security disability hearing. Hi, I'm Patrick Hartwig, and I'm a Social Security disability attorney in Massachusetts. When you walk into your hearing, your Social Security disability hearing, in front of you, you will see a judge sitting at a bench in a small conference room that's set up to look like a mini courtroom. To one side of the judge will be what they call a hearing reporter. It's simply that person's job to make sure that you're there that day, that you get in and out of the courtroom, and that most importantly, everything gets recorded. On the other side of the judge is likely to be what Social Security calls a vocational expert. This is someone who has a master's degree in vocational rehabilitation. What that person does for work every day is that they help people get back into the workforce when they can no longer do the job that they're accustomed to doing. And the reason why the expert is there to testify is that ultimately at the very end of this process, the judge's job is to try to determine whether or not, based on all of the evidence and your testimony, you would be able to do some type of work that exists on a full-time basis anywhere in the United States. Well, in order to make that decision, he or she needs an expert's opinion on what those jobs are, how many of them exist, and what it takes to do all of those jobs around the country. In some cases, you may also see a medical expert testifying in your case. This is an impartial doctor who has reviewed all of the medical records in your case and will provide the judge with his or her opinion as to what the medical evidence says and what your likely limitations would be on a daily basis. Your role that day is simply to be there on time, be open and honest with the judge, and wait for a decision. Now, I imagine you may have questions that are specific to you. Give me a call. I can answer your questions. Social Security disability is all I do. I'm Patrick Hartwig. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.